Have you ever wondered how the United States soared from the very first powered flight to becoming the undisputed leader in the skies? It all began with two brothers in a small workshop, tinkering with wood, fabric, and engines, determined to make humans fly. From that first daring leap at Kitty Hawk, to the thunder of fighter planes in World War II, and the rise of Boeing's iconic jets that would carry millions across the globe, the story of American aviation is a tale of ambition, innovation, and the relentless pursuit of the skies. Join us as we trace this extraordinary journey through time and discover how flight transformed a nation and the world. At the dawn of the 20th century, two brothers from Dayton, Ohio, Orville and Wilbur Wright, set out on a mission that would change the course of human history. Fascinated by the mechanics of flight from a young age, they spent years studying the work of earlier pioneers, building kites, gliders, and meticulously recording every experiment. Their small workshop was filled with sketches, models, and the persistent hum of ingenuity. In December of 1903, on the windswept sands of Kitty Hawk, North Carolina, their determination reached its historic climax. With the roar of a modest engine and the delicate balance of carefully crafted wings, the Wright brothers achieved the world's first controlled, powered flight. The airplane, fragile yet revolutionary, stayed aloft for just 12 seconds on its first attempt, but those seconds carried humanity into a new era. Their success was not the result of chance. Orville and Wilbur faced countless challenges, designing wings that could generate enough lift, inventing a propeller that functioned more like a rotating wing than a simple screw, and developing a three-axis control system that allowed the pilot to steer and balance the aircraft in the air. Each problem they solved became a stepping stone, not just for them, but for all who would follow. The Wright brothers' breakthrough was more than a technical achievement. It was a testament to persistence, curiosity, and the belief that the sky was no longer the limit. Their work laid the foundation for the aviation industry that would soon soar to unimaginable heights, shaping the future of transportation, warfare, and exploration. And it all began with two brothers, a windy beach, and a dream that refused to be grounded. With the success of the Wright brothers' first flight, the 1910s marked the beginning of a new era for aviation in the United States. What was once the dream of a few curious inventors quickly captured the imagination of the public, businesses, and the military. Airplanes were no longer a mere novelty. They became tools, symbols of progress, and vehicles of ambition. Civilian aviation began to take flight. Small, daring entrepreneurs founded early airlines, including Pan American Airways and Transcontinental and Western Air, laying the groundwork for what would become the commercial airline industry. These early carriers connected cities and regions, transforming travel and commerce, and demonstrating that the sky could be a new frontier for human movement. At the same time, technological advances accelerated. Aircraft designs grew stronger, faster, and more reliable. Engineers experimented with more powerful engines, better aerodynamics, and lightweight materials. Pilots pushed the limits of speed and endurance, performing record-breaking flights that captured headlines and inspired millions. Aviation pioneers of this era were not only inventors, they were adventurers, test pilots, and dreamers, all united by a single goal: to conquer the air. By the end of the 1930s, the United States had developed a robust foundation in both civilian and military aviation, setting the stage for the rapid technological leaps that would define the skies in the coming decades. As the world plunged into conflict, the role of aviation transformed from curiosity to critical necessity. In World War I, airplanes were deployed in combat for the first time, initially for reconnaissance, but quickly evolving into fighters and bombers. American pilots and aircraft manufacturers began experimenting with new tactics, learning how to harness the power of flight for military advantage. Though the United States entered the war later than European powers, it quickly adapted, establishing the foundation of a strong military aviation sector. World War II brought an unprecedented explosion in aviation technology and strategy. Fighter planes, bombers, and transport aircraft were designed and produced at a scale never seen before. Iconic aircraft such as the B-17 Flying Fortress, known for its durability and heavy bombing capability, and the nimble P-51 Mustang, which dominated air battles with speed and agility, became symbols of American airpower. The demands of total war drove innovation at lightning speed. Engineers and pilots worked side by side to improve engines, armaments, and aerodynamics. Aviation reshaped military strategies, enabling faster troop movements, strategic bombings, and superior reconnaissance. In theaters across Europe and the Pacific, the skies became battlegrounds where the outcome of entire campaigns could hinge on air superiority. By the end of World War II, the United States had not only solidified its position as a technological leader in aviation but had also demonstrated the profound impact of flight on global warfare and strategy. The lessons learned and innovations developed during these decades would ripple into civilian aviation and set the stage for the rise of aerospace giants like Boeing. As the dust of World War II settled, the United States turned its attention to the possibilities of the sky beyond warfare. At the heart of this transformation was a company founded in 1916 by a visionary named William Boeing. Originally focused on military aircraft, Boeing would soon lead the charge into a new age, commercial aviation. The post-war boom brought unprecedented demand for passenger travel. Boeing responded with a series of innovations that would forever change how people moved across the globe. The Boeing 707 ushered in the jet age, offering speed and comfort far beyond anything before. Later, the 747, famously known as the Queen of the Skies, became a symbol of American ingenuity and the democratization of international travel, carrying hundreds of passengers across continents. Today, the 737 and 787 Dreamliner continue to define commercial aviation with cutting-edge efficiency and technology. Boeing's impact was more than mechanical. It cemented the United States as a dominant force in the global aviation industry. Its aircraft connected continents, powered economies, and inspired generations of engineers, pilots, and travelers. Through innovation, ambition, and a relentless pursuit of excellence, Boeing transformed the dream of flight into a daily reality for millions around the world. Even as Boeing and other aerospace giants shaped commercial travel, the story of American aviation was far from finished. The late 20th and early 21st centuries have been defined by remarkable technological leaps, from jet engines that revolutionized speed, to stealth technology that redefined military strategy, and collaborations with NASA that brought humanity closer to the stars. Today, the future of flight is even more extraordinary. Engineers are exploring electric planes, promising cleaner and more sustainable travel. Supersonic jets hint at a return to lightning-fast transcontinental flights, while autonomous aircraft are poised to redefine the role of pilots in the cockpit. Innovations in materials, aerodynamics, and artificial intelligence are not just improving flight, they are reimagining what it means to soar. American aviation has always been about pushing boundaries, and now it faces a new era of possibility. From humble gliders on the sands of Kitty Hawk to rockets and high-tech jets, the journey of flight continues, inspiring curiosity, ambition, and the endless human desire to conquer the skies. The story of the skies is far from complete, and the next chapter may be closer than we imagine. From the first daring flight of the Wright Brothers to the engineering marvels of Boeing, American aviation has not only conquered the skies, it has inspired the world. It is a story of vision, innovation, and the relentless human desire to reach higher. Which airplane or era fascinates you the most? The pioneering flights, the wartime heroes, or the jets that carry millions today? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to History Love for more incredible journeys through time.